how to get a motorcycle license in New York. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a motorcycle license in New York. So make sure to watch the video till the end and let's get started. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a motorcycle license in New York. Get a New York driver's license or learner permit. You need to apply for a motorcycle learner permit first. If you only want a motorcycle license without a regular license, apply directly for the Class M motorcycle only license learner permit. This test covers essential road rules, traffic signs, and motorcycle specific laws. Schedule an appointment at your local Department of Motor Vehicles DMV to take the written knowledge test. Bring proof of identity such as a passport or birth certificate and residency documents. After passing the test, you'll be issued a motorcycle learner permit. With the learner permit, you are allowed to practice riding under specific conditions. You cannot ride on highways with a speed limit over 55 miles per hour. You must be supervised by a rider who has a valid motorcycle license and is within 1/4 mile of you at all times. Make sure you have practiced enough riding skills such as turning, braking, and obstacle navigation before taking the test. On test day, bring your motorcycle permit, licensed supervising rider, and ensure your motorcycle is in safe working order. After passing the road test or submitting the MSF completion card, pay the license fees at the DMV. Fees range between $10 to $12.50 depending on your age and length of license validity. If you passed the test or completed the safety course, you'll receive your Class M motorcycle license or Class MJ junior motorcycle license if you're under 18. That's all for the video.